Hello guys, welcome here to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Hope you like it. Guys, on this video we're going to add some new little stuff and modify a little bit more the BMW X3. So on the back of it we're gonna put some of these. I got them on the front but I don't have them at the back, so we're gonna be installing those just to give it a bit of more personality to it. At the moment it's just bare black color, so maybe it will look a bit better. And on this side guys, I got some door lights, same brand I bought for the Audi. I'm gonna put the video up there so you guys can watch it. So far this is not a sponsor guys, so just talking here about my true experience with this brand. So far I have not had the problems that some people are mentioning on the web. However, I don't know if they're talking about these same ones, but I put those lights on my Audi, and they have been on my Audi for I think maybe 9-10 months, maybe over a year, and I have not had any issues. They are still pretty bright. The light reflects perfectly, nothing to complain in that area. So that's why I went with this. So I checked on the website for BMW, and they're pretty expensive if you want to go OEM. I think they're about $400, something like that. So these ones were pretty cheap. So if you are happy to get this, guys, so far I haven't had any issues. Again, this is not sponsored, but I think this is the right way to go if you want to do this on a budget. So let's see what it is. I got the M logo. This will go on the back doors, and I got the 3D BMW logo, the original one, not the other one with the blue stuff around it. I don't like that one that much. So I think inside there's pretty much the same as the others that I bought. I'm gonna put the link above so you guys can watch it. But so let's see what we got here. So yes, so just two lights, not much to see here. So let's see what we got inside. Again, I'm gonna show you all the process on how to put them on, but these ones, they're not as complicated as with the Audi. With the Audi, I didn't have these lights, this connection from factory, so I had to run some cables and use OVD11 to program those connections. However, on this, it's just basically plug and play, because I already have the lights, just that they're just regular lights, nothing too fancy. So here you got the lights, guys. Quality is still pretty good so far. It's got the metal shield here around it, and you can move it if you want to put it on a certain angle. So you got the connection here. So this is pretty much it, guys. So they're marked. So you got the right and you got the left, which is pretty handy. So I'm guessing these are already orientated to the correct position. So we will connect them and see what they look like. So we'll start with this. Pretty simple. Just some 3M tape, double-sided tape. And this should be pretty simple. We just have to clean the area. Make sure it's clean. And does look pretty good. So let's go and see what they look like. So here we are, guys. First step would be to clean this area. Clean this pretty well. Make sure there's no dust on it, and make sure it's dry so it can adhere correctly to the surface. So let's do a bit of a cleaning. It's a bit tight here in my garage, but let's make it work. Oh, by the way, guys, there's another video coming. My wife's mother, she dropped her lipstick down there, and I have not been able to get it out. It's way in there. So I'm gonna put a camera in there and see exactly where it is and try to figure out a way to get it out. So hopefully I can get it out. If I can get it out, I'll film everything and I'll upload the video. If I cannot get it out, I'll leave it there until I find a way to get to. But back to the video here. So it's pretty clean. Now let's get this dried up. Pretty clean now. So should go like that. So let's take some measurements and we'll come back to the video. So guys, what you can do here is put some masking tape around it. So make sure it lines up and it's straight. So that way you make sure it's not tilted one way or the other. So now that you're sure, then you can remove the adhesive and then put it on. All right, guys, there you go. We have placed it. Just leave it for a while. And now you can remove the tape. The tape is basically just to keep you in line. That way it's not tilted. It's just a very inexpensive way to make sure it's there. So it does look pretty good, guys. And it's pretty in there. Just put it in and it's glued in well. So let's see. No issues, closes perfectly. There you go. All right, let's do the other side. All right, guys, this is what it looks like on the other side. I got a scratch right there and right here. I want to fix that later. It does look pretty great, guys. So let's jump to the lights now and let's see what they look like with the lights on. But just to give you a really quick peek. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. This is one side. Let's show the other. And this is what it looks like on the other side. I have to remove a little bit of glue there. And I have to fix some scratches that I got right there. And somewhere around here, there's another one. Anyway, this is what it looks like, guys. Now let's jump on the lights. You got them right there. Okay, guys, for the lights, it's pretty simple. We need to remove this first. Now, sorry for the wind, guys. It's a bit windy today. So there is one edge here. You see that is a bit different. So we need to put a plastic tool in there, like right there, and we need to pop that open. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you step by step so you don't break that little tab over there, and I'll show you what it looks like. So if you see the tab, we're gonna use one of these plastic tools. You're gonna put it right there. Push it a little bit. You see that it's starting to open, and then pull down. There you go. That's it. That's how easy it is. So you see the connector right there. So that's what you need to unplug. So you just grab it here and then pull down. So there is one little tiny hole over there, and there is a small piece of plastic holding it together. So you can get a small pen, a small screwdriver, push it in, and it should pop out. That's the only thing holding it in. Now, I need both hands to do this, but basically you just have to push this in with a small screwdriver, and this will pop out. There you go, guys. Now I have unplugged it. Be careful, the cable is really short. So that's everything that's gonna come out. So this is what it looks like when it's unplugged. All right, and this is the one that we're gonna plug in. So I'm gonna plug in the left one. Again, I need both hands to do this, so I'm gonna pause the video here, plug it in, and then show you. And when you're gonna put it in, you're gonna put this on an angle like this, and then up. So this is the tab that's gonna hold it from falling down. So it's gonna go this way and then up, so like this. That's what it looks now, connected and put in place. So now I think you can see it. There you go. You see that the image is very bright. I'm gonna show you inside or at night when there is no much light, so it does look pretty good and clear. So let's do the other side and the front ones. All right guys, the back ones are already installed. Now we're gonna do the front one. So you see the front is just exactly the same. So you see there is a notch right here. So you're gonna put the screw, the plastic tool here. Pop that open, connect it, same process. So I'll come back when all of them are installed and I'll give you a quick look of it. This one has been installed already. So let me see. Yeah, there you go. So what we're gonna do now is put it in a dark place, see what it looks like. Also, another thing that I wanted to show you guys, as you can see, no errors, no lights, so everything is just perfect. Okay guys, let's see what it looks like in the dark. I know it's still day. I'll shoot another one after this one, but just to give you a quick look now here. Guys, it does look pretty good, I must say. So I got carpet in my driveway, in my garage, so that's why it looks a bit like that. But I can tell you, the image, it's really clear. And I'm gonna try to record another video outside, like on where the pavement is not like it's smooth. So that one looks great. And let's see this one right here. Wow, the colors, guys, are really good. It looks absolutely great. And if you see right there, looks pretty good. Same here. So as you can see the logo like right there, image is pretty clear. Let's see on the other side. Amazing. Absolutely incredible. All right guys, I'll add another video when it's darker and I'll shoot it outside. But for now, just one more look, just great. It's amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe. That will help me a lot to keep making these videos. There's a lot more coming on. I'm gonna change this, make him a little darker. I'll show you how to remove this one and how you can tint your own windows. It'll be a longer video and I'll show you step by step on how to do it. But again guys, this is something that you can do yourself. You just need a little bit of patience, that's it. So I'm thinking of changing those and make them changing for the other one, for the more aggressive ones. I'm also thinking about putting a diffuser right here and maybe change this, the exhaust pipes to double ones, if it's possible, with a different bumper diffuser. Also, I'm also thinking of adding the front lip right here, because it's black, could look pretty good. And also I'm thinking about a side skirts. Really appreciate your feedback, guys. If you have one of those, what else have you done? Maybe comment down there, and maybe I'll try to do the same. But thank you guys for watching. See you next time. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.